Hey everyone, my name is Karina. Welcome back. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make delicious frijoles de la olla in an Instant Pot. I have a previous video where I made peruano beans, but this time I'm making pinto beans. For this recipe, we're going to be using 1 pound of pinto beans. I'm going to start off by cleaning them. Just make sure to remove any beans that are broken or are like nasty like these, because we want to make sure we have nice, perfect beans. Now we're gonna wash them. Our beans are now washed and I'm gonna add them to the Instant Pot. Next, I'm gonna add 5 cups of water, 5 tablespoons of oil, and some salt to taste. I know a lot of people like to add garlic, onion, and other spices into their beans, but I personally just like salt and oil. We're gonna press the pressure cook button and set the time to 35 minutes. Make sure you move this button to seal. The 35 minutes are up and we're gonna let it sit for another 20 minutes. It's been 20 minutes and we're gonna release the steam. Let's open it up. And there you have it, delicious frijoles de la olla. This is how you can know if the beans are ready. You grab one and you smash it very easily. Okay guys, cheers. They just came out of the olla, so they're hot. The Instant Pot. And they're just perfect. Super blanditos. Deliciosos. This is a very easy and fast way to make it, because if you make it in the stovetop, it takes way longer. So if you're craving fast beans, this is your go-to recipe. All right, guys, that's it for this one. If you've made it this far and you've not yet subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.